Long-haul flights in economy class are often described as one of the most tiring parts of traveling. Hours of sitting in a cramped seat, dealing with dry cabin air, background noise, and limited movement can leave travelers exhausted before even reaching the destination. But with the right strategies, a journey of 10, 12, or even 15 hours can be far more manageable. That's why today's video is all about sharing updated, practical tips designed for 2025 travelers. These strategies will not only help make the flight more comfortable, but also save time, reduce stress, and keep energy levels steady throughout the journey. Whether it's choosing the right seat, packing according to the new carry-on restrictions, or staying refreshed in the air, these tips are the key to arriving feeling ready to explore, instead of needing a full day of recovery. Before diving deeper, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future travel guides and money-saving hacks. Tip 1. Choose the right seat wisely. A seat is more than just a spot on the plane. It's the foundation of the entire flying experience. On long-haul flights, a poorly chosen seat can make every hour feel longer, while a smart choice can add comfort that money alone can't buy. Travelers who prefer movement should go for an aisle seat. It allows freedom to get up without disturbing others, which is crucial for stretching legs and preventing stiffness. For those who value uninterrupted rest, a window seat is ideal. It provides a wall to lean against and eliminates the chances of being woken up by someone needing to pass through. Position in the cabin also matters. Seats near the front generally experience less turbulence, receive meal service earlier, and often disembark faster after landing. On the other hand, rear seats may be closer to restrooms, but they tend to be noisier and have more foot traffic. Another overlooked detail is proximity to wings. Seats above the wing area are usually the most stable during turbulence, while those near the engines may deal with constant humming. In 2025, some airlines even introduced quiet zones in certain parts of the aircraft, offering a more peaceful environment for passengers who want rest. Checking airline seat maps before booking ensures these hidden advantages don't get missed. Tip 2. Pack smart. Under the 2025 carry-on rules. Carry-on rules in 2025 are stricter than ever, with airlines tightening restrictions to keep boarding efficient. Most carriers now allow only one carry-on bag and one personal item with a strict weight limit. Overstuffing bags or ignoring these rules can lead to expensive last-minute fees at the gate. The smartest approach is to pack strategically. Essentials should always be within easy reach. A travel pillow, light blanket, high-quality noise-canceling headphones, and a reusable water bottle belong at the top of the bag. Snacks like protein bars, mixed nuts, or dried fruit provide energy without relying on unpredictable in-flight meals. For hydration, the reusable bottle can be filled at airport water stations after security, helping avoid constant requests for small cups of water from flight attendants. Organization is also important under the new rules. Several airlines now prefer passengers to use transparent packing cubes for liquids, chargers, and small electronics. This makes security checks faster and avoids unnecessary bag searches. Keeping electronic devices like laptops and tablets easily accessible prevents delays at checkpoints. Comfort items should not be buried deep inside. Think of the carry-on like a toolkit. Everything needed during the flight should be right at the top. This avoids the awkward situation of standing up repeatedly and disturbing nearby passengers. The more organized the bag, the smoother the journey will be. Tip 3. Dress comfortably, not fashionably. When it comes to surviving a long flight, clothing choice plays a major role. Fashion may look good at boarding, but comfort decides how the body feels after 10 hours in the same seat. Loose, breathable layers work best in cabin environments. Temperatures can shift quickly from warm during boarding to cold during cruising altitude. A light jacket, hoodie, or travel shawl provides warmth, while a t-shirt underneath keeps things cool if the cabin heats up. Footwear is equally important. Slip-on shoes or lightweight sneakers allow feet to breathe and make it easy to pass through security without hassle. Avoid heavy boots or tight shoes, as feet naturally swell during long flights due to limited circulation. Carrying an extra pair of socks, preferably compression socks, can also prevent swelling and reduce the risk of deep vein thrombosis, which becomes a concern on flights longer than 6 hours. Accessories matter too. A simple neck pillow, an eye mask, and noise-canceling headphones can turn an uncomfortable economy seat into a mini rest zone. Choosing comfort over appearance ensures less fatigue and makes arriving at the destination far more enjoyable. Tip 4. Stay hydrated and avoid excess caffeine. The dry air inside airplane cabins causes faster dehydration than most people realize. On a long-haul journey, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to feel refreshed. Drinking water regularly throughout the flight is essential. Instead of relying on small cups provided by flight attendants, carrying a refillable water bottle ensures hydration is always available. Electrolyte tablets or hydration powders can also be added to water to replace minerals lost during travel, especially on flights that cross multiple time zones. At the same time, it's important to avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol. Both contribute to dehydration and can disrupt sleep, making jet lag worse upon arrival. A single cup of coffee before the flight is fine, but relying on caffeine throughout the journey often backfires, leaving the body even more exhausted. Herbal teas, water, or juice are much better alternatives during long flights. Hydration is not only about drinking, it's also about skincare. Carrying a small tube of moisturizer and lip balm keeps skin from drying out in the low humidity environment. Together, these small habits reduce fatigue and keep energy levels balanced. Tip 5. Move and stretch regularly. Sitting in one position for hours is one of the main reasons people feel stiff and drained after a long flight. Movement is not just about comfort, it's also about health. Prolonged sitting can reduce blood circulation, increase swelling in the legs, and in extreme cases raise the risk of blood clots. The simplest way to fight this is to move every hour. Standing up, walking to the restroom, or pacing the aisle for a minute can make a huge difference. Even small stretches in the seat help. Rotating ankles, stretching arms overhead, rolling shoulders, and flexing calves are easy movements that improve circulation. Some travelers even follow mini in-seat exercise routines, focusing on stretching the spine and legs. Compression socks also assist in maintaining proper blood flow. Choosing an aisle seat makes this routine easier since getting up doesn't disturb neighbors. By combining regular movement with proper hydration and comfortable clothing, the body feels far less strained upon landing. This habit is not only about surviving the flight, it's about arriving at the destination ready to enjoy the trip instead of recovering from travel fatigue. Tip 6. Bring healthy snacks to stay energized. Airline meals often arrive hours apart, and not every passenger finds them satisfying. Some meals may be high in sodium, which increases dehydration, or include unfamiliar ingredients that upset the stomach. Relying only on in-flight food is risky, especially on budget airlines that may not provide free meals at all. Bringing healthy snacks solves this problem. Options like protein bars, mixed nuts, trail mix, dried fruit, or whole grain crackers provide steady energy without causing sugar crashes. Fresh fruit, such as apples or grapes, can be packed for shorter flights since they are hydrating and easy to eat. For longer flights, vacuum-sealed snacks stay fresh and compact. Another overlooked benefit is time. Having snacks on hand means hunger can be managed immediately instead of waiting for the next scheduled meal service. This also reduces the temptation to buy overpriced and less healthy food at the airport. In 2025, some airports have started offering pre-packed, travel-friendly snack boxes that comply with security rules, making it even easier to prepare. Tip 7. Use entertainment wisely. A long flight can feel endless without something engaging to pass the time. While most airlines offer seatback entertainment, relying only on it may not be enough, especially if the system malfunctions or has limited options. Smart travelers prepare their own entertainment to make sure boredom never becomes an issue. Downloading movies, TV shows, or documentaries before the flight ensures personal choices are always available offline. Podcasts and audiobooks are perfect for moments when eyes feel tired, while ebooks and magazines provide variety without adding bulk to the carry-on. For those who enjoy learning, language apps or online courses can turn hours of sitting into productive study sessions. Noise-canceling headphones take the experience to another level. They block out the constant hum of engines and reduce overall stress, making it easier to enjoy music or fall asleep. In 2025, many streaming platforms allow downloads for offline use, so preparing a mix of entertainment before departure can transform the entire journey. Tip 8. Adjust sleep according to destination time zone. Jet lag is one of the biggest challenges of long-haul travel. Arriving in a new time zone feeling exhausted or wide awake at the wrong time can affect the first few days of a trip. A proactive sleep strategy makes the adjustment much smoother. The best approach is to gradually adjust sleep patterns before the flight. For example, if traveling east, going to bed slightly earlier each night for a few days helps the body prepare. If traveling west, staying awake a little later each night works better. On the plane, aligning sleep with the destination's time zone is key. If it's nighttime at the destination, try to sleep even if it feels early. Using an eye mask, neck pillow, and blanket helps signal the body that it's time to rest. Avoiding caffeine during these hours also makes falling asleep easier. Conversely, if it's daytime at the destination, staying awake during the flight by reading or watching movies helps the body adjust faster. In 2025, several airlines now offer apps that recommend personalized sleep schedules based on routes and destinations, giving travelers an extra tool to fight jet lag effectively. Tip 9. Keep personal hygiene essentials handy. Feeling clean and refreshed can make a huge difference during a long-haul flight. Hours of sitting, recycled air, and limited restroom space often leave passengers feeling uncomfortable. Carrying a small hygiene kit in the personal bag keeps things manageable. This kit should include travel-sized toothpaste and toothbrush, facial wipes, hand sanitizer, deodorant, and lip balm. A quick refresh in the restroom every few hours restores comfort and confidence. For overnight flights, brushing teeth before resting improves sleep quality and reduces the morning breath feeling upon arrival. Moisturizer is another essential. The dry cabin air causes skin to lose hydration quickly, leaving it feeling tight and itchy. Applying a small amount of moisturizer every few hours keeps skin balanced. Wet wipes are also practical for cleaning hands or wiping down the tray table, which is often one of the dirtiest surfaces on the plane. Maintaining personal hygiene is not just about feeling fresh, it also helps adjust mentally. Feeling clean during the flight creates a sense of reset, making it easier to stay positive and patient during long journeys. Long-haul flights in economy don't have to be miserable. With the right seat choice, smart packing, comfortable clothing, proper hydration, movement, entertainment, and a little preparation, anyone can turn a challenging flight into a manageable and even enjoyable experience. If this video helped, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more travel hacks, guides, and tips to make every trip easier and more enjoyable. Safe travels and see you in the next video.